Deep in the heart of the woods, a curious wanderer named Crackether stumbles upon a hidden grove. Within the grove, Crackether encounters the Guardian, who bestows upon him shimmering magic seeds with a knowing smile. Unseen by Crackether, Brogar, a sly trickster, steals the magic seeds from him, his eyes gleaming with avarice. Heart heavy, but spirit unyielding, Crackether sets forth on a quest to retrieve the stolen seeds and safeguard their magic. In his dreams, the Guardian imparts wisdom to Crackether, showing him the path to confront the devious thief and reclaim the seeds. Oblivious to the consequences of his actions, Brogar sows the magic seeds in the soil, fueled by selfish desires. In a climactic showdown under the moon's watchful gaze, Crackether and Brogar stand face to face, the magic seeds pulsating with power between them. As the garden blossoms with beauty and life, Brogar's heart begins to thaw, touched by the transformative power of kindness. Together, amidst the fragrant blossoms and rustling leaves, Crackether and Brogar forge an unexpected bond, their friendship blossoming like the flowers they nurture. Word spreads through the village of the enchanting garden, drawing the community together in wonder and goodwill. Amidst the tranquil beauty of the garden, Crackether and Brogar find solace in each other's company, their friendship rooted in the seeds of forgiveness and growth.